I want to say a happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Look here. This is my lunch. Scallop potato and white meat turkey, the turkey breast, along with some string beans. I'm at work, so it's lunchtime. I order what I would like, and it's delivered to the room. Turkey breast. Yes. The scallops potato, I think it's made from potato, and they do it like how they do a mac and cheese. This is the American way. Yeah. And here in my plate I have a little string bean. Food nice. So I'm having an American lunch today. The turkey tastes good. I must tell you, I'm not a big turkey fan. But when the turkey tastes good, it tastes good. When I do the turkey myself, I soak it in salt water. Then I wash it off and start seasoning it. But I give it a barbecue flavor. A more a jerk sauce flavor. But I've seen something where they marinate the season with the butter and rub the butter all over the turkey. That give the turkey a nice brown color on the outside. I'm not so much a big butter person, but what I normally do with my turkey, I normally put it in the turkey bag, because if you put it in the oven like that, it takes so long. But when you buy the turkey bag and season it and put it in the turkey bag, whoop, quick time, turkey cook. So I find out the trick about the turkey. Put the turkey in the turkey bag. And the turkey can also make stew peas, make nice stew peas. My kids, they don't like turkey. But if I cook it in stew peas, they will eat it. They'll buy the turkey neck, smoked turkey neck for stew peas. And yet, they don't like turkey. Eating turkey is better than pork, because I don't eat pork. Turkey nice. I'm giving thanks to God for all He has done for me. It's a day of Thanksgiving. I could have passed and gone by the cold hands of death, but because of His love and His mercy, He has kept me. Allow me with strength that I can work and put food on my table, take care of my bills, and help others. I can look and say, me bless. I am blessed. Jamaica say, we bless. Me bless. I am blessed. I just had a brunch just now, so my tummy is partially full, but I'm just on my second course meal right here. So I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Please like, please comment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving Day. Peace out.